Oh, guess who's right? Whoa! We know what it is. That's a boy. That's a boy. You get it? Yeah. Win! Boy. Three boys. Told you his name was Trey. I should have gone.
No, it's gonna be Cornelius.
Where did you get? We already had a Cornelius. Where did you get Trey from?
Yeah, you know. They're right there.
Hey, sister, you don't have a good poker face.
Oh my God.
Goodbye. All right, good job, Weston. You're a good helper. Good job. Did you help get?
They're all blow away.
I know. That was fun, huh?
Yeah. And we have to make some more.
We have some more at the house.
Yeah.